and the big old pretty girl dead, you know. Me say boom boom fatty fat. How me I say, Lord God.
Ready, let's go.
So Petty, how can I party right at this Avan, Petty? How can I party right at this Avan? So you cut the hour?
I printer.
A printer? Are you cut the pants? So make you cut it. Are you cut the pants? How you cut the pants too short, man? So what's your Avan, Petty? What's your Avan?
I printer.
You print out? You print out what? What you print out? What you print out? What the freak up what you print out the balls? So you print out the thing there if you see it?
Let's call you printer.
So when you back me see it?
Me don't know how to do it, you know. And the big old pretty girl dead, you know. Me say boom boom fatty fat. How me I say, Lord God.
Don't make your office in that department.
Eh?
Why don't you office in that department?
No, that department of a woman. I more. I invest them. 3 department of a woman. He more him best and this. Give up around them.
Kirk, go take care of that boy have been sent.
First boy in one of the school, you know. And when me and the boy go one place and then tell him his spelling name, you know. And me see the boy this stand up so. He said, Jesus Christ, and me have a spelling name.
Big old boy.
Go out 3, 4 school. He have a bag on him back.
Full of book.
Full of book.
And can't spell in here.
I mean, use me one, me cutlass. And when me see the boy, man drop load of man.
And he move like a blood clot
And
back
the
up.
boy good at it, good. And when me ask him, say, how much you care that load of man? 12,000.
Here for any gimmicks? Oh. So are you willing to collect your price today? Well, the delivery team will be coming over to your door. The company lawyer, the road manager, and the delivery team will be coming over. This is a big surprise for you, I know. And it's hard to come to the conclusion that you're a winner. But my brother, I'm telling you, you're God blessed. Put God's in the midst, brother, and everything will be okay. You have to pay for your registration card. You have to pay for your registration card. It's only cost. You have to pay to register.
Telling me I have to pay for a registration card to collect my prize.
You know, whenever you're collecting over 750,000 US, you're required to pay the ICRS tax. Today, my brother, the tax you pay is only a tip in the box, 1%. So are you willing to pay for your claiming? Hello? Hello?
Some are wicked.
No, bad man.
You know some are wicked. Some are wicked. Right now I'm wicked.
Where you bad man?
I'm licking your face now, pussy.
Where you bad?
Yeah.
Which part are you bad?
Jenny, you know I'm wicked.
I smell, but go
Pussy, suck back your man. You know I'm wicked.
Which part are you bad?
Yeah.
Which part are you bad?
Some of the bad.
Where you bad? Which part are you?
Some of the bad. That me not
Which part are you bad?
Some of the bad.
Which part are you bad?
Hey, you know, say me bad.
Which part are you?
Pussy,
You
can
just
know
say
say
you
me
bad.
bad.
Which part are you?
No man can't tell me nothing.
Yeah,
Me at 12.
where the Richard? You are 12.
Yeah.
No, it's not Richard. Richard, I talk and hear that, Richard.
Yeah?
Your mother tell us you are 12, so you are 12.
When me at 12 years old, you know. See? I start brag from out of gate, say me want to go to school and me I go buy school shoes and me I go do this to go to school. When me get the chance to start go school,
Yeah.
at that time my mother go make me know, say me at 12 when me know long time. Me how much now?
Not 12, you are 12 man now.
Me got blood clot, yeah.
Mama say you are
Me
12.
say me
And
at
you know
12.
Yeah.
Boom.
You are 12. Yeah.
Yeah, me at 12.
My puppy is missing 3 days now, and me want back my puppy. Look how me behaved last night, and me next door neighbor Orange.
Pioneer! Orange, come here! Orange, pull the game and stay for my brown dog, please. Orange, more stay for the brown dog in there, so. What you mean by what? I blood clot police now, cuz. What you mean by going on here, Orange? See the dog come back, come here, wonder how I'm going to sleep for my brown puppy in there. You don't know if I get to come in your yard, you locked up in and know. What you mean by, so pull the gate. Orange, you know what me gate? Me don't know your fucking two dogs, them. The two dogs are you, blood clot woman. Or two blood clot dog. But that ain't easy. Me say pull the game and say for blood clot puppy one here for 3 days. I am a blood clot answer. But that ain't easy. Give me my blood clot dog. If I am over there. Boy, my blood clot puppy Orange. You gotta put the blood clot here. Where am I by each puppy? Pull the key yet. Don't ever kick it out. Let me see the dog. Where dog? Let me see that. Orange, my brown puppy, one brown puppy. Call the puppy now, call the puppy them. Orange, call the puppy them when we just see the two brown dogs a while ago. Call them. What you mean by me the easiest? If I let me I tell to blood clot, Father God judge me wrong. Orange, listen now, let me see the puppy. Ah, they can't call the dog.
Him say go come in.
Me are coming go. Blood clot, so me are coming go. Where am they?
See my blood clot down there.
Oh.
Yeah. I said dog, you know.
Orange, remember you sell blood clot dog, you get it Chinese them to chop up, you know. Alright. The blood clot them for Jody.